I'm the only Luo surviving within the realm and tapestry of Maseno University on a necktie. I have a question, and my question is crystal clear. You, as a Media Council of Kenya, how are you catalyzing a paradigm of transformation amidst a radical transforming digital age? Because in this in this radical digital age, we have a form of citizen journalism. And these people, they normally dispense and put news. Some are not credible in social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Yahoo, WhatsApp, among others. Now, how are you in line with this to make them be in line with the code of ethics within the jurisdictional legal sphere of the Media Council?